My technical review project is about MongoDB. So for MongoDB, we usually work with this software called Compass. To start off, we first need to connect it with a server. There are two ways to do this. So the first is to connect to a local host. Simply add new connections here and click connect. And here I'm already connected to my local server. And the second way is to connect to Atlas, which is connecting to the cloud. This will also allow different users to connect to the same database at the same time. So we need to go on to Atlas on the website and then sign in and create a new cluster. Sample datasets can also be loaded from here. And for connections, we just here click connect. And here choose Compass. And copy this link and then copy it here. And then click connect. So here my Compass is also connected to my cluster here called getting started. And since I already loaded the sample datasets about movies, so here we can also see this dataset. And so to begin with, we can simply create our database here. So we can give it a name, present, and collection called try. So here our database has been already created. And it's called present and try over here. And you can simply import data from here by loading some CSV files, or we can just add them one by one using comments. And we'll write our comments over here using shell. The help command is very helpful at first to learn about the commands. And we can see here the CLS command will help clear up the screen. And here we can use show DBS command to see how many databases we have in this localhost. And we can see there's 5. And if we want to switch from present to this test database, we can use test. And now we switch to write comments about this test database. And to insert new documents into this, simply use db.collection name, which here is sample, and insert 1. Let's say insert some new document name 1. And there's also insert many. Sample insert many. And we can insert multiple documents at once. Let's say name 2. And name 3. So here if we open sample, and we can see 1, 2, 3 over here. And with insert, we also have update. So db.sample.update 1. Let's say we want to update the one named 1. And so we can set it in a new field called rank equals 7. And now if we refresh this, we'll see rank over here. And we can also add new fields to it. So update 1 name. Let's say update 2. And give it a new field that haven't existed before, maybe like order equals 1. It'll also be added even though the schema there's no schema telling there's an order with the integer value. And the same thing with collections. Simply use db dot maybe another sample dot insert 1. and refresh it, we'll see another sample has already been created by the shell. And there's also delete. So db.sample.delete 1. We can say delete the attribute with the name of 1. Oh, sorry, it's uppercase and lowercase problem. Yes, now it's deleted. We can also tell it to delete multiple documents at once with a delete many. And let's say tell it to delete all the documents without a country field. So delete country. So no existence of country. So 2 records deleted, and here we can see there's now 2 and 3 has been deleted since they don't have a country field. And I use this movie here to do the query part, since it has just more documents and more fields. So for queries, we use this find command. So let's say we can tell it to find the movies with the year of 1994, which should have a lot of attributes. Yes, a lot. And to make this easier to view, because now it's giving out the whole documents for all the documents with the year of 1994, you can say that's db.movies.find. So year equals 1994. And we can tell it that we only want to see the fields of year and maybe also runtime. And we don't want to see the ID. So now it only returns the ones with the runtime and year. And we can also give a more more things to filter at once. Let's say we also want the runtime to be greater than 120 minutes. So this will do. So now we have only the documents with year of 1994 with a runtime greater than 120 minutes. And we can also tell it that we only want to see, let's say, 3 documents. So it will give us the first 3 in order. So this 3 in order. And we can also tell it that we want to sort it. So just add a sort over here. Dot sort in, let's say, in descending order of runtime. Sorry, forgot the brackets. Descending order will be -1 and ascending order will be 1. So now they are ordered in descending order of runtime. And we can also, let's say, if we don't want the first one because it has like over 1,000 minutes, which is too long, we want to keep it a normal length of the video. No. So we can also skip, let's say, skip the first one, and I will return the second one to the fourth one.